Good morning, everyone. My name is Vanessa Bright. I'm the Executive Director of Maryland Reentry Resource Center. We are based in Anne Arundel County. We work to help returning citizens remove the barriers to successful reentry. We are very thrilled to have this partnership with Morgan State and the EDAC and R.I.D.E team, because when we work together, we can have greater impact. So I want to welcome everybody that's here today. They're going to be great speakers. I hope you will be engaged. I hope you will get informed and you will be inspired. So please sit back, enjoy the conference, make sure to ask questions, and hope to see you later on today after the conference ends. Thank you.